I've spent quite some time using both Passbolt and Bitwarden, and while they're both excellent tools, they're designed with slightly different use cases in mind. Passbolt caught my attention right away because it's clearly built for teams that prioritize security and collaboration. Setting it up for my small team was pretty smooth, and sharing passwords securely didn't require any complicated steps. The browser extension and web app work seamlessly, making it very quick to access credentials. I also appreciated the strong focus on security. Features like end-to-end encryption and two-factor authentication made me feel confident, especially when dealing with sensitive accounts. That said, Passbolt feels quite minimal. It lacks some common vault features like storing payment cards, addresses, PINs, or detailed notes. So if you're expecting a fully featured personal password manager, it might seem a bit limited. On the upside, it's open source, which means you can customize it if you have technical skills, and their support team was responsive whenever I needed help. Bitwarden, in contrast, felt much more feature-rich right from the start. I initially used it for personal accounts and later introduced it to a few colleagues. Its cross-platform compatibility is one of its biggest strengths. It works smoothly across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, mobile devices, and even Chromebooks with near-instant syncing. The browser extensions are very convenient for quick logins, and I really like the ability to organize everything with folders, custom fields, and multiple URLs per login. Even the free version offers a lot, and the premium plan is very affordable compared to other services. For me, Bitwarden is ideal for handling both personal and work-related credentials. It's easy to use, flexible, and backed by a large community, which makes troubleshooting and advanced setups much easier. In practice, I rely on Passbolt when I need secure, team-oriented password sharing with strict encryption, especially for critical or sensitive projects. Bitwarden, on the other hand, is my everyday solution for managing logins across devices and keeping everything organized. Ultimately, it depends on what you value more: strong team-focused security and customization, or a more user-friendly, all-in-one platform with excellent cross-device support. Both tools are great, they just excel in different areas.